Hi, this is the review on the Topre 64-ounce insulated water bottle. So I've been looking for an insulated water bottle that would keep my water cool or hot without it spoiling, and also being a good size, something that wouldn't be too big as well as something that wouldn't be too small. So I was able to settle on this 64-ounce, also known as a half gallon. Now the company does say here that the water bottle will retain its cold or hot temperature for up to 24 hours. I've actually left this inside a hot car before for a couple hours, and when they came back, it was still pretty cold. As for the leakage, I could show you right now that there's no leakage. It even has this lock right here to guarantee that it won't accidentally open on you. I was looking for a bottle that would easily open and close for me, and this has done just that. So I can just open, drink, and then close. I also like that I could hold this even without the sleeve. As you can see here, this outer material is actually quite grippy. So if I shake, I still have a good solid grip. So you don't have to worry about like needing to use both hands. You can just use one hand and drink, no problem. The fabric alongside of the rubber helps prevent any noise from dropping or placing down the water bottle. So yeah, if you're looking for a good quality water bottle that is both affordable and portable, then I recommend the Topre 64-ounce insulated bottle. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed, and make sure to have a wonderful day.